Welcome to part 2 of the full no bullshit YouTube ads course. And this time we're going to talk about laser focus on YouTube ads. To succeed with YouTube ads, you need to be focused. And how to think about YouTube ads. We don't want to be thinking, how can I make better ads? We've discussed it before. Ads is not the secret. The secret to running good ads are not the ads themselves. It's the product and the funnel that's the hard part. So instead, you should be thinking, how can I make my product and my funnel, in other words, the hard part, so good that even weak ads will work great? So how can I optimize my funnel and my product so well that even if my ads are weak, the whole process is still going to work? Because if we then strap great ads to that process, it will just take off. And I will show it to you visually. This is the process. We first have ads. We run these ads to end funnel. The funnel pitches our front-end product, the first product the customer sees. And then after they've purchased our front-end product, in the back end, we will upsell them additional products. But we will exclude the back-end upsells for now because now they're not that important. But we will get back to them later on in the training. So now we will just focus on the ads, the funnel, and the front-end product. The most important part of this equation is the front-end product. That's symbolized by the $3 signs at the bottom. That's the most important part, is the product you're selling. And then the next most important part is the funnel. The funnel is the second most important part of this equation. And the ads are honestly the least important part, because anyone can make great ads. It's not that hard, honestly. But a great front-end product and a great funnel, that takes work. And now let's look at a few examples. In this example, we're selling a really bad front-end product. Our front-end product is super bad, but we have a great funnel and great ads. But let's say we're selling rotten tomatoes. Nobody wants those. So even if we have the best ads, the best technique in our ads, the best secret ad script, and we have a really nice funnel, nobody is going to buy these rotten tomatoes simply because they are rotten tomatoes. Our product is bad. So even if our ads are super great and our funnel is perfect, nobody is going to buy our product. So it's pretty logical that our product is super important. Let's look at another example. In this case, we have a really great front-end product, but a bad funnel and a bad ads. Okay? In this example, let's say we're selling the cure to cancer. We have developed a pill. A person that has cancer can just swallow it, and after 2 hours, the cancer's just gone away. It's probably one of the best products you could possibly sell, because it solves such a huge pain. Every person that has cancer would instantly want it, regardless how much it would cost. So this is a perfect front-end product. And believe me, even if your funnel is horrible and even if your ads are super weak, you would instantly sell out these cancer cures. You would instantly sell out. No problem. And the price could be millions. Simply because your front-end product is so great, you wouldn't even need a funnel. You wouldn't even need ads, simply because your product is so great. And now let's keep this great front-end product and let's improve the funnel. Now you have a perfect front-end product, and combined that with a perfect funnel, and only the ads are weak. This will work so well. Imagine you would be selling the cure to cancer with a perfect funnel and only the ads were weak. Believe me, the word of mouth would still spread so widely, your product would sell out instantly. Simply because your product is so great, and we amplified that by a great funnel. And honestly, we could have the worst ads, it would still work. But imagine we also had great ads. And that's what you want to achieve. You want to start with a great front-end product, then in addition, build a great front-end funnel. And then after those two things are done, after you have a great front-end product and a great funnel for your ads, then you want to focus on the ads. But only then, because otherwise it won't work. And how to think about YouTube ads. In order to have success, even if your ads are weak, what we are after, your funnel and your product needs to be super optimized. I've showed it to you already. You want to be selling a really great product. In other words, something like the cure of cancer, because everyone that has cancer would want it instantly. And you want a great funnel to sell that product. And in order to achieve that, you need to be super focused. You really have to focus on first building a great product for your YouTube ads, or modifying your current product to be super great with YouTube ads. And then you have to be super focused on improving your funnel. And in general, I know you're watching a YouTube ads tutorial right now, but a lot of people want to be advertising on multiple channels at once. It's always called omni-targeting, omni-channel, multi-whatever. Don't do it. You're on a YouTube ads tutorial right now. If you want to run YouTube ads, only run YouTube ads. Only focus on YouTube ads. Otherwise, this won't work. Because let's look at your market. You're probably not the only one advertising on YouTube. There are competitors. Let's take, for example, the person on the left, the person on the right, the woman in the middle. These are your competitors. And they are in the same market, advertising also on YouTube. So you're competing against them. And they are focused 100% on YouTube ads. And if you then come in this market and also advertise a product on YouTube and you are only 25% focused, they will beat you. They will buy up your advertising inventory. They will rack up the prices for you. They will just beat you. So if you want a fair chance, if they are 100% focused, you have to be 100% focused as well. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Otherwise, they're just going to beat you. And this is the worst possible way. Imagine only being 25% focused on YouTube ads, and then 25% also focused on Facebook ads, and then also 25% focused on Instagram ads, and also 25% focused on TikTok ads. You're going to get beaten on every platform because you're competing against YouTube ads guys that are 100% focused on YouTube ads. You are only 25% focused on YouTube ads. You will get beaten here. Then you're also competing with Facebook ads guys that are 100% focused on Facebook ads guys that are 100% focused on Facebook ads, while you are again only 25% focused on Facebook ads. So we will get also beaten on Facebook. And then you're also competing with Instagram ads guys that are 100% focused on Instagram ads, while you are only 25% focused on Instagram ads. So we will get also beaten there. You will just get beaten everywhere and it won't work. So pick one platform and stick to it. Only advertise on this one platform, complete focus, 100%. And since you're watching a YouTube ads tutorial right now, you would probably pick YouTube ads, I believe. And if you want to scale with YouTube ads, focus 100% on YouTube ads. And then build one great front-end product. Most people believe if you want to scale, if you want to make a lot of money, you have to sell multiple products. Bullshit. Focus on one product and make it really great. And the same goes with the funnels. Most people think if you want to scale, if you want to make a lot of money on the internet, you need lots of things. You need lots of funnels. One funnel here, one funnel there, one funnel for this and one funnel for that. That's bullshit. You will have multiple mediocre funnels. It won't work. Focus on one funnel and make this one funnel really great. And then optimize the simple funnel to the last percent. So build one funnel, keep it super simple, and then optimize. Just keep optimizing. That's one simple funnel. Because having one great thing is way better than having multiple mediocre things. It's just like the example with the multiple advertising platforms I've told you about. It's way better to be 100% focused on one advertising channel than to be 25% focused on 4 different ones. Because then you would just get beaten on 4 platforms instead of just winning at one. So I hope this lesson was valuable for you.